Hi YouTube, welcome to day 4, last and final day at the Bow. Mr. CT hits up some high limit lightning link slots and they treat him well. And Mrs. CT finds a wild leprechaun that keeps giving her bonus after bonus. We also have dinner with friends at Stala. It's a great place, and if you haven't been to the Bow, definitely check it out. CT Slaughters endorsed. Thanks for watching our series. Bye!
Alright, here we go, bonus on lightning link. Football game on, so people are cheering. Not for me. Alright. Hold and spin, good. The person here before me, I saw they left the screen with $250. So I'd like, oh man. That's not good. I think that's the thing about Lucky Link, they at least give you 3. Uh-oh. Yes. Oh yeah, $55 spin. Come on. Oh yeah. It's getting up there. Oh. Yes. I don't see anything back there. That's not looking promising. Nope. Oh well. That's pretty decent. I'm happy with that. I wish I got. I was one away in the last one, but didn't show up. Yeah. Back to back, come on. Nope. Nope. Still pretty good. Oh, that's awesome. What's that? Yeah. Awesome. That's pretty sweet. Here we go. Bonus 3. Here we go. Pushing it that way. Got mini again. 5. Something else good. Come on. Oh, another mini. Come on. That's good. Yeah. One more? One more? Yes. Ooh. Awesome. This is awesome. Awesome. Stay right. 3 spins. Isn't it dead?
Open them all. Or re-trigger quickly. Open them all. Keep going. I need the coins like every spin. I didn't. Oh! Holy cow! That was unexpected. I would love one of those every spin. Thanks, dude. Oh, boom, kabam! I saw it. That was awesome. Do that every time. Yes. Come on. Oh, yes! That's what I needed! Sit back. I have to cross my legs to be comfortable. Which is weird because people get yelled at for recording here. Yeah. And throw those multipliers. Can you imagine that $50 hit with a 10x? How sweet that would have been? Come on, leprechaun. Throw your stuff. No, they're not.
Then you have
Oh. Oh, would have been nice. Come on. Yes.
one more. Can you get it
I know, one more. Yeah, I have it all. Come on, re-trigger or get it all.
all?
Come on. Oh, man. I haven't gotten any coin throws.
You haven't gotten any little...
Come on.
You got one random throw out the coin.
Yeah. Come on. Last game.
Yeah. That's what I find.
Stop being chintzy. More. More. Another one. Please.
Open the top.
No.
Open it.
Aww. Not a bad bonus. It's like my fourth spin. I put the $200 ticket in. Thanks, game. Greedy. $6 badge is 7 games, but let's see if it does anything. Please throw lots. possible re-trigger with the 3x and 5x and bonus would be amazing. That Indian dude with the hearing would be awesome to get with the 3x and 5x. I mean, lots of stacked jacks. Any line hit at all? Bueller? That's just mean. Equally mean. Mr. CT got a forcible tower on Buffalo. He just texted me. He is not in an area where I can see him. I hope his bonus is more than my $50.